In this video, we're going to work on a problem of repeating patterns. So this is an interesting one. So if the pattern below continues, what will be the shape in the 321st slot? And you're probably freaking out by now and thinking to yourself, well, how am I going to do this? I will have to draw 321 shapes. But no, there's a trick to everything, okay? In math, there's always simplicity, and I love these kind of problems. So step one, let's first break it down, okay? So notice that the pattern shows a circle and then a square. Then the pattern repeats, right? Circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, right? So they've been named as slot 1, slot 2, slot 3, slot 4, slot 5, slot 6, and so on. And we're trying to find out which one of these shapes would be in slot 321. So let's break it down further, okay? So this pattern is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third. This is the fourth, okay? So the step two is you can notice that the shape in every odd slot is a circle, and the shape in every even slot is a square. So here's 1, 3, 5, 7. Those are all odd numbers, and they all contain a circle. Here's slot 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are even slots, and they all contain a blue square. So since 321 is an odd number, then we know the shape in the 321st slot will be a pink circle, because the pink circle is always in an odd number. So it'll look like this. So here's slot 319, 320. This is 321. So this is what we're looking for. And then continues. Slot 322, slot 323, and so on. And that's the answer to this problem. Not very complicated. So if you need other resources that are similar to this, just take a look at the description and you'll find links to my other videos that are similar to this. Also, you could download my ebook and you can follow along the lesson in the ebook.